All right, we're going to bring up a young man named Dennis Hubert. And Dennis is an award-winning international singer-songwriter, motivational speaker, and licensed Unity teacher, born in Wisconsin, into a very musical family, and has been singing ever since he could talk. I'd love to hear that first song, wouldn't you? Throughout his career, Dennis has won many awards for his singing, including a number of awards for vocal performances in the Maricopa Community College's annual Outstanding Performers Competition. As a soloist and a group performer, that means he sings good. Dennis's latest album includes selections from his musical, I'm sorry, he wrote a musical too, Inside God. Beautiful. He loves telling stories with his songs, and he believes that music is a powerful tool to share the message that we are the light of the world. Dennis also enjoys writing unique pieces for your special person or occasion. And as an extra note, he is also now, he's an LUT, but he's going into the ministry. So maybe next year we'll see Reverend Dennis. Let's bring him up. There he is.
First, I want to thank Jesse for dressing up, giving us all permission to look a little snazzy. So I wrote this song kind of in response to a fundamentalist preacher who used to say, God sends his rain on the just and the unjust. That's not what the scripture says. So I'm going to read you the contemporary English version. Your Father in heaven makes the sun rise on both good and bad people, and he sends rain for the ones who do right and for the ones who do wrong. So rain, I like it. It's a gift. So that's what this song is about.
The rain has come to drown out my fears, drenching me, quenching me, cleansing me with tears. Rain on me, let it pour, send it down, then some more. I stand with tear-filled eyes under cloudy skies, midst rising seas. Let it be, let it rain, rain on me. The clouds have come, cooling me with shadows. The breeze has brought the gift of its gentle breath, refreshing me, caressing me, blessing me with rest. Rain on me, let it pour, send it down, then some more. I stand with tear-filled eyes under cloudy skies, midst rising seas. Let it be, let it rain, rain on me. I do love a warm sunny day. There's something so cheery about it, but I never complain about the rain. You can't have a rainbow without it. So rain on me, let it pour, send it down, then some more. I stand with tear-filled eyes under cloudy skies, midst rising seas. Let it be, let it rain, rain on me. Let it be, let it rain, rain on me.